Hey guys, we are back at Go the Road. So snagging is being done. I'm actually here quickly to have a look around to see where we're at. Now we've got a new tenant moving in tomorrow, in fact, into one of the rooms. And obviously snagging is still being done, but we're more or less there. Now, in a situation like this, it's actually not a problem. It's very, very, very common. What investors normally do is we'll move the tenant into their room, make sure that the room is all ready. So get the pictures up, everything is fully ready to move in, and obviously make sure that they have access to all the facilities as well. So as you can see now, this is pretty much done, and then we'll just do the final bits around them, and that's it really. It's pretty straightforward. But so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take some final pictures, well, not final pictures, some marketing pictures and videos of the room the tenant's moving in tomorrow, just so we have it on record. But then Dante's going to come back tomorrow to dress the room properly, and then do final marketing pictures. But I thought I'd do it myself today, just in case there's any problems. We've got it on record. We've got some good marketing pictures and videos on record, because it's that important. But obviously the plan then is for Dante to come tomorrow, dress this room properly, and then take videos and pictures then. But I'm going to do it now as a fail-safe. Our landlord client has purchased these really nice pictures. There you go, and obviously that's the mirror. So I suggested these mirrors because they add a lot of they make the property look a lot more grand, a lot more high-end. They're not expensive, but they do a massive job. What they do is they reflect light, natural light, into dark areas like this, or what would be dark areas like that, for example. And they also make the space look a lot bigger as well. And it's always, it's functional, because tenants walk past, they can check themselves out, because that's what people like to do. It's a very good hack. Our landlord client has purchased decorative stuff like this, and some shelves as well, which I think has been put up. And there you go, so stuff like that, which is really nice. And mirrors as well, like that there. And this is where having a woman's touch with a woman's eye that's not seeing the property day to day is really important, because you come with fresh ideas, a fresh set of eyes, and it's also that personal touch that the investor or the landlord is adding to their property. Otherwise they're all going to look the same. Like if we do the same HMO, same property throughout, they're all going to look the same. So it's nice to be able to see a personal touch like that. For example, this is the studio. Very nice room. I've moved the desk over there for now, the table over there for now, and the chair. I believe there's a 2-seater sofa coming here as well. Yeah, everything seems fine. No issues at all. So now that is starting to give the place a bit more personality. Before, this was just all white and grey, and obviously that doesn't, it's not that inviting. But the idea is that we go for the white walls approach, white walls, grey carpets approach, because and then we can provide a blank canvas, and then from that canvas we can do things like add nice furniture, stuff like that, where it adds a bit of colour. And then nice paintings, wall hangings and stuff like that, and then over time we'll just replace the wall hangings, but we stick with the canvas, the white canvas. And the reason being, it's much cheaper to change the wall hangings, painting, mirrors and stuff like that, to dress the place, to change the look of a place. Much more cost effective doing that, and then we change them according to taste at the time. So whatever the market's dictating, we'll change towards that look to attract the right tenants. But at the same time, it means that the maintenance of these walls it's a lot more cost effective when we've got white walls like this in terms of maintenance, because we can just then paint over it. It's not like lots and lots of different colours that we're trying to find and then paint the whole wall to that colour. Also, we know exactly what paint it is that we're using, so there's an economy of scale there. And finally, when a wall is white like this, it makes the space look a lot bigger, because you've got to imagine when somebody moves in, or a tenant moves in, they're going to have a lot of stuff. So having a blank canvas like this will make the place look a lot bigger. Anyway, hopefully that's been helpful. My name's Nguyen. We'll let manage high quality HMOs and singlets in and around Birmingham. Yeah, nearly there, I think. Got viewings booked in as well. And it's a lovely day today. All right, see you.